In this video, I'm going to show you how to completely delete or remove blocks. If you've ever found yourself with tons of unused blocks cluttering your drawing and slowing things down, this tutorial is exactly what you need. Whether you want to clean up your file for better performance or just keep things organized, I'll walk you through each step clearly so you can do it with confidence. First, go to your layout and look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the AutoCAD logo icon. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From there, hover over Drawing Utilities and then click on Purge. This will open the Purge dialog box where all the magic happens. If you prefer using the command line, here's a quicker way. Simply type Purge into the command bar and press Enter. AutoCAD will bring you straight to the same window. Easy, right? Once the Purge dialog box opens, you'll notice a section called Purgeable Items. This is where AutoCAD lists all the items that can be safely removed, such as layers, text styles, and of course, blocks. Since we're focusing on blocks, make sure the Blocks box is checked. If you want to remove all unused blocks, simply leave everything selected and click on Purge All. AutoCAD will automatically clear out every block that is not currently used in your drawing. This is a quick and powerful cleanup option. But what if you only want to delete specific blocks instead of everything? No problem. Expand the Blocks dropdown in the Purge window, and you'll see a full list of every block definition in your file. Carefully scroll through this list and select only the ones you want to remove. Take your time with this step because once deleted, those block definitions cannot be recovered unless you reinsert them manually. After making your selection, head to the bottom of the window and click on Purge Checked Items. AutoCAD will immediately remove those blocks from your drawing, freeing up space and helping your file run more smoothly. If you still cannot delete a block, it might be in use somewhere in your drawing. Try using the QSelect or Filter command to locate all instances of that block, erase them, and then run the Purge command again. That usually does the trick. And that's all. By following these steps, you can completely delete or remove unused blocks in AutoCAD with ease. Keeping your drawings clean not only improves performance, but also makes your workflow much smoother in the long run. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.